This desk riser has a motor? VIVO 42-inch sit-stand hack you didn't know you needed. Feel chained to your desk like a corporate prisoner? We get it. You sit down for just a minute and somehow 6 hours pass, your neck's locked like a rusty hinge, and your lower back is staging a rebellion. You know it's bad when your chair becomes your worst enemy. Every workday feels like a replay of the same fatigue-filled, spine-mangling loop. You've tried standing breaks, yoga, even those wobbly balance boards. And still, productivity is crawling, focus is trash, and your body's not vibing with any of it. So what gives? Could it be your desk that's quietly wrecking your motivation? Yep. Totally. It's not just annoying, it's soul-sucking. Deadlines creeping like monsters under the bed. Posture ruined. That feeling of how is it already 4 p.m. and I've done nothing? Burnout is real. The struggle of staying alert while hunched over a screen is a silent productivity killer. And hey, let's not ignore the side effects: achy wrists, slouch-induced headaches, and that existential dread when your 9 to 5 starts feeling like a sentence. You weren't made to be a sedentary slug. You deserve better than feeling stuck in desk purgatory. That tiny voice saying there's got to be a better way? It's right. Spoiler alert, there is. Enter the VIVO 42-inch electric desk riser, your back's new BFF. This isn't just a desk gadget. It's your full-blown productivity rescue kit. With a smooth motorized lift that adjusts from 6.4 inches to 16.7 inches at the push of a button, it's the stand-up transformation you never knew your workspace needed. Need to charge your phone? Boom, USB port. Want to go from slouch to power stance in 5 seconds? Done. It's sturdy, sexy, and smart, unlike that creaky IKEA knockoff you've been tolerating. VIVO's VE series doesn't just change how you work, it upgrades your entire day. Think smoother flow, sharper focus, and an energy boost. With a 42-inch workspace, dual-tiered ergonomic layout, and a Z-frame that screams, I mean business, this riser makes every task feel less like work and more like winning. No more tech headaches, no more fumbling setups. Just plug, push, and rise. Thousands have made the switch, and their backs and deadlines thank them daily. Whether you're a remote warrior or cubicle gladiator, this bad boy levels up any setup. Want better posture, fewer breaks, and 10x more flex? Hit that Learn More link and feel the upgrade happen. Ready to rise? This is your sign. Don't wait for the spine surgeon or the boss asking why you missed another deadline. Grab the VIVO 42-inch electric sit-stand desk converter while it's still in stock. Limited quantities. Massive demand. Instant wow factor. And did we mention almost no assembly? Reviews are hot, returns are rare, and transformation is real. So let's do this. Click now, level up your desk game, and turn your workspace into a productivity playground. Your posture and your future self will high-five you.